Good morning, class 12 students. Students, as you know, we are doing chapter number 3 of Indian Economic Development, and this is part 3 of chapter 3. Students, our topic is Problem of Indian Agriculture. In this topic, students, we are going to read about the problem which are being faced by the Indian agriculture sector. Indian agriculture faces a host of problems. There are many problems which are being faced by the Indian agriculture, and because of these problems, it continues to remain backward as well as stagnant. So here are some problems. First one is lack of permanent means of irrigation. Students, cropping and farming in India is heavily dependent upon the rainfall. Permanent means of irrigations are extremely deficient, means that there are lack of permanent means of irrigation facilities in India, and it is heavily dependent upon the monsoon rainfall. Good rainfall brings good harvest, whereas poor rainfall brings the poor agriculture output. To maintain the stability or to increase the agriculture output, there is requirement of permanent means of irrigation as the development across all the parts of the country. Second topic is deficiency of Indian finance. Deficiency of finance is another major problem facing by Indian agriculture. Because of lack of finance, there is a problem faced by the Indian agriculture. For the bulk of the finance, the students of the small farmers depend upon the non-institutional sources, means they take the loans from the money lender, mahajans, or the landlords, which they charge a very high rate of interest and they exploit the small farmers. Institutional financing means the banking system of the country is very low and is extremely scarce in relationship to the needs of the farmer, which is very low as compared to the needs of the farmer. Lack of finance hinders the growth of Indian agriculture. So there is a problem. If there is lack of finance, there is a hindrance in the growth of Indian agriculture sector. Conventional outlook. Third point is conventional outlook, means our conventional outlook towards farming is yet another problem of Indian agriculture. Means that the old method used by the farmers, old technology, old methods. Still, farmers are not educated in India. Farmers are not educated properly. They are not aware of the new methods, new techniques, which are being used by other parts of the country in the world. Indian farmer is there is a lack because of their finance. They have a finance problem. Their technology they are not upgraded. That's why there is a problem. Their production remains low, and there is a less. They are earning less profits also. Fourth is small and scattered holding. Holding in India is are not only small but scattered as well. Students, I explained you this before also, that Indian agriculture sector, the farmers are also having a small holdings of land, and do not and plus they are scattered. Their one land is one place and the another is on the different place. So that did not allow the modern technology. The cost of management is higher, which is also again a problem of backward farming and poverty amongst the farmers. Exploitative Argenian relationship. Argenian relationship refers to the business relationship between the landlords and the tenants. See, the relationship between the landlords and tenants are very different. They have been always been exploited by the farmers, by the landlord. Tenants means the workers who do the work on the land are always being exploited by the farmers. They charge high rate of interest, heavy paid on rent on the absent landlords or tillers of the soil are filled with little surplus of further investment. They're always being exploited, and because of their bad relationship between among them, that is also a cause of poor backwardness of the agriculture sector. Sixth point is lack of organized marketing system. Agriculture marketing system is highly unorganized. The marketing system done by the farmer is very unorganized. A vast majority of small farmers continue to sell their output in the local market at reduced rate. The market where the selling and buying of the crop is done. The larger part, the small farmers continue to sell their products at a local market and they're ready to sell it at the reduced prices. They are obliged to sell their products to the Mahajans, means money lenders, in return to the loans for the loans they raise from their middlemen. Whatever they sometimes they sell their products to the money lenders, their product to the money lenders, which the on the basis of the loan, they have to return the loan amount. That's why they sell the money to their crop production to the money lenders, and which leads to them that they are having low profit opportunities and they sell it at the low prices. So these are the problems which I have discussed with you the Indian agriculture sector is facing. Students, agriculture in India face number of problems ranging from production to the marketing. Whether we talk about the production or till the marketing of the crop, there are many problems faced by the Indian agriculture. At the level of production, modern inputs are not judiciously used. Because of these, productivity remains the low. Because of the lack of modern technology, lack of modern methods, lack of modern inputs, there is a there is a problem of low productivity. At the level of marketing, the bulk of smallholders fails to get the remunerative prices, means the good prices of the crop, because of the lack of organizing marketing system, because there is a lack of organized marketing system where the farmers market system means where the farmers can sell their products at a good price. Because of lack of this, because there is a lack is there in the organized marketing system. All these leads to the problem faced by the agriculture sector of Indian economy. Thank you.